Jacob and Rachel, welcome to the starting line. A new life is about to begin. And we all gather here today because we are excited to see what God will do through you together.
I, Rachel, take you, Jacob, to be my husband, to join with you and share all that is to come. And I promise to be faithful to you until death parts us.
I, Jacob, take you, Rachel, to be my wife, to join with you and share that all is to come. And I promise to be faithful to you until death parts us.
Jacob, you may kiss your bride.